Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can change password of your Facebook account from the Messenger. It's super easy. Let's get started. Open up your Messenger app and then go to main menu and then go to settings and then scroll all the way up and you will see this account meta and see more in account center. Click on that and then you will come in this page. You have to do is click on password and security. Once you click on that, you will see this option on the top, change password. Click on that and then select the account, and then you have to do is type over here your previous account password, or like previous password over here, or like current password over here. So once you have type over here your current password, and then you have to do is type over here new password and retype over here your new password, and then click on change, and it gonna be change your account password from the Messenger. It's super easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.